In front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this Motorola. Begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll all the way down right away. Then click on System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Rebirth. Lastly, select Text Correction. As you can see, all text correction options are available over here. In order to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!